In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give different colors to specific text using Elementor, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress website. This is your gateway to customizing your site and accessing all its functionalities. So open up your browser, head over to your WordPress site, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your WordPress dashboard, which is essentially the command center for all your site management needs. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side menu and click on Pages. This is where all your site pages are organized, allowing you to quickly find and edit any page you want. Scan through the list and select the page you wish to modify by clicking on its title. Once you click, you'll notice an option labeled Edit with Elementor. This is the powerful tool we'll be using today, so go ahead and click on that. Once Elementor is loaded, which should only take a few seconds, you'll be on a new interface. Within this view, locate the area or text where you'd like to change the color. Move your cursor to the text editor widget and click on the little pencil icon. This icon is your gateway to making all sorts of text tweaks, ensuring you have the flexibility you need. With your text selected, glance over to the left side of your screen and head to the Style tab. This section is packed with different options for personalizing the visual aspects of your text. Once in the Style tab, look for the text color setting. It should be easy to spot. Next to the text color label, you'll see a color swatch. Click on this swatch to open up the color picker tool. This tool provides several options for choosing the exact shade you want. You can drag within the color palette, enter a specific hex code if you already have a color in mind, adjust the RGB sliders, or even select a predefined global color if you have one set up in your Elementor settings. After selecting your desired color, take a step back to preview your changes and make sure everything looks just how you envision. If it does, there's just one more step to finalize your hard work. Hit the Publish button. This will save and apply all your changes, making your colorfully revitalized text now visible to everyone visiting your site. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding different colors to specific text in Elementor, all done in a breeze. Keep experimenting and see what creative designs you can come up with. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.